If your DoorDash earnings aren't showing up in DasherDirect, there are a few common reasons. First, check the deposit status in the app, which should update within 24 to 48 hours of earning confirmation. Delays can occur due to bank integrations, especially with regional banks. Also, ensure you're using the latest version of the DasherDirect app, as outdated versions can cause syncing issues. Incorrect routing numbers are another frequent problem. Verify your bank details under the Payments tab to ensure they match your bank's records. App cache issues or network problems can also prevent earnings from displaying correctly. DoorDash uses ACH transfers for deposits, which can take a couple of days to process. Systemic issues like the November 2024 server glitch can also cause temporary freezes, but these are typically resolved within 48 hours by DoorDash. Remember to link a valid US bank account for payouts. Start by checking your DasherDirect account balance and confirming your routing number in the Payments tab. If the issue persists, clear the app cache and restart the app. Submitting a support ticket with screenshots to DoorDash is crucial for manual review. DoorDash's AI-driven chatbots can help diagnose the problem, reducing resolution times to hours. If a routing number mismatch is the cause, update it in DasherDirect and provide proof to DoorDash support via email. Keep an eye on bank notifications for any changes, such as bank mergers, that could affect your routing number. In the case of large-scale outages, DoorDash may offer compensation, as they did in NYC in early 2025. Verify your account details, ensure the app is updated, and contact support if earnings remain missing after these steps. DoorDash has made significant improvements, with 95% of earnings disputes resolved within 72 hours.